Hey guys, I've gotten a lot of questions about my upcoming summer camps and I thought I would just make a quick video to tell you about the details. Also, I will include a link down below where you can go and register for the summer camps. So I'm offering the first week of summer camps June 1st through the 5th, and I'm going to have two separate groups. Tribe 1 will be ages 7 to 11 and they'll be meeting from 11 to 11:45 Central Standard Time. Tribe 2 will be meeting from 1 to 1:45 in the afternoon Central Standard Time. The second week that I'm offering camp in June is going to be June 15th through the 19th, and Tribe 1 will also meet 11 to 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tribe 2 will also meet again from 1 to 1:45 Central Standard Time. So again, there are going to be two age groups offered in 2 different weeks in June. You only need to register for one of the weeks. Now, if you have multiple children or if you as a parent want to sit in with your child during the ASL camp, that's fine. It's still just going to be one fee per household. The fee for this camp is going to be $40 for the week, and you can also contact me if you have any other questions. Thank you so much.